this is what they end up looking like after the steel wool, Dawn dish soap, and multi-purpose cleaner. Not really to my liking, but of course they are cleaner. Next I'll be going on to the wheel cleaner and steel wool. When I did the steel wool and soap, I started off with quadruple zero. Then I end up going to double zero. Then I end up using one. So I'll just go straight to one. This is my worst rim of all so far. Like I said, I'm not satisfied, so I will keep going, and we'll just see what we can shake up from there. I got after the wheel cleaner. Matter of fact, here's the wheel cleaner, Meguiar's Hot Chrome. If you do not have chrome, don't use it. They got a purple bottom, but they still aren't to where I want them to be, but they've came a long way. This is the worst one, remember. Even that one cleaned up some, but I'ma keep going, cause this ain't to my satisfaction. But as you can see, they did come a long way. Don't get discouraged. Yours probably won't be this bad. I don't know how long this guy had these sitting in snow or with salt on them or whatever. But I'm gonna keep going and keep moving forward and see what I can do on to the next steps. But yes, this is a battle. On the next step, polish and steel wool. I'm just using 00 steel wool right now. Polish, just nothing major, just this Brazo or Brasso. If you don't know how this works, you just basically rub it on until it gets hazy. If you rub it and you have to rub it for it to come off, it's ready to come off, and then you just buff it off with a hand towel. So we'll see what it looks like from there. I might have to go a little more aggressive, but we'll see how it turns out. Oh yeah, and this is the worst wheel of all too. See, it has brought me here, and now I have my big air compressor from outside still hooked up to my 3-inch polisher. As far as polish, I'm no longer using polish. I have some compounds. I have some polishing compound, ultra compound, and rubbing compound. And we'll see where this takes us. If this does not work, then it leads us to our final decision, which is sanding this with 600 grit and then trying to polish it again to see if it takes all those indentions out. But we coming, y'all. Like I said, this hazy from the polish, I'm waiting for it to dry up. You want it where it has to be, where you got to rub it off just for it to come off, then it's ready. As you can see, these parts I already started polishing those, and they're looking beautiful.